Sailboats wish that they were stars, floating softly in the sky, among our dreams that bid goodbye, moving through transparent space, drifting through the stratosphere, and onward till they disappear. These continents from overhead look like tiny paper shapes, intricately set in place below the misty mountain clouds. There's a lovely silver bay where sunset sailors often hide away. Scuba diver in the lock, speedboat driver on the dock, sailplane pilot in the blue, take me up there with you. The world looks brighter from this high altitude. I was walking through the trees, and I was swimming through the seas. I was falling through the air when it hit me right there. My eyes are tired, but I don't even care. Above the coast, and dreamt I had become a ghost. I sail above the frozen peaks, deep in cold cathedral caves, across the hills and far beyond waves. Take the car on the run, fly the jet to the sun, and bring the spacecraft in soon. While I play chess with the moon, I feel like sleeping through this cold afternoon. Once in 1964, an actress ran on the shore, and though you'll never return, I love you, Audrey Hepburn. Sometimes I can see your face in the crowd. There are sailboats throughout this brilliant sky.